So, DIY Halloween costume. I went to the dollar store and I paid $1.50 for a baseball cap. This one here. And now look at this. So let's just start right out. For this build you need some items. I say a piece of cardboard, every kind of trash will do. A straight edge, pencil, scissors, glue, and to make it easier, glue stick. And then the main things, which I got all from the dollar store. Those felt kind of thingies here. I've used it for a variety of things already, but I still have the color left I need, which is green. Didn't use green yet. So let's pull the green out. It looks way darker on the screen than it is in real life. And then we got our baseball head. Nice. So what I did is I took a reference picture, a straight edge, and I made a template. This way around it will go on. Just here. But now we will put glue on it on this side and glue it on the felt using a glue stick. This is just temporarily, we don't need much, but this will help us to cut it out, because painting lines, straight lines on the felt is kind of a bit of a challenge. So I put it here on the corner. So we do have a very easier work. And first of all, I do a rough cut. Just like this. And so I can work it easier without having this big piece around. And I turned it around and glued the side to it, so it will later be a glue-free, good-looking side. So now with this bit of cardboard we got a perfect straight cut along it, which is really the only reason I used cardboard instead of paper and did the template thing in the first place, because if we do my nerdy cosplay, we make it right. And it's not only cosplay, it's perfect for Halloween, or just if you wanna play Pokemon Go on the next level. I mean, if you don't look like a Pokemon trainer, you are just pretending. Right? Right. I mean, Pokemon Go it's kind of a great idea. I mean, back in the 90s we all paid a much higher price for a Game Boy, and so we can play it for free, and it even helps us to walk around sketchy places of the city we would have never visited without those rare Pokemon lurking there. We might get mugged, but what should they take if we have nothing with us? Well, the phone is gone obviously, but as long as we update our stuff online, we should be kind of fine. I hope. Okay, let's talk about Pokemon here, because we make a Pokemon thing. What's your favorite Pokemon? I give you a little hint, mine was yellow, and it was not Pikachu. And it always showed up in the most inappropriate situations. Popping out of his Pokeball. And to give you a bit more hint, it had constant headaches. Now you probably know from which I talk. Bend this to the side, so I can get the perfect cut here. There we go. And now let's see how this looks. Yeah, that looks like shit. And like I said, the color my camera renders is completely off. This is the perfect green. It's on its way out. Next step, next. We take some paper. We remove the paper backing, which should actually be relatively easy. Yeah, it's just tagged on there. That's why I didn't take tons of it. You could theoretically leave it on, but I don't like to. Let's close the glue stick. I can't have that. And now we take this glue here. It's from the dollar store. That's the kind of stuff you get in Germany in the dollar store. It's called August, the starke Kleber. August, der starke Kleber. Yeah, the strong August. Let's see, it's open already. And it is nice. It's kind of the perfect glue for such things. Let's put it on here. And in case it gets a bit messy, I have, as you see, I did take precautions here. So, now we have to spread it around, make it really good, cover the surface, especially the edges. We don't want them to lift if we put the head into the washing machine or something like this, because it should be machine washable. I don't like it when you can't wash things. If you wear it somewhere indoors, it gets sweaty and all of this. That shouldn't be a thing, shouldn't it? So, now let's go to the next, the absolutely most important part. Lining it up correct and putting it into the middle. That's the kind of part where we only got one shot. Just lay it on there first. Now we got our Pokemon head. Yeah, complete Pokemon head built. And next thing is then the Pokeball. And here a little picture of me wearing it. And fun fact, I was wearing it the whole year. Yeah, I liked it so much I kept it after Halloween. So now there she is, finished.